Hey son, what's up? What's poppin'?
I got a surprise for you, Dad.
What surprise are you talking about?
Why you not in bed?
Son, you don't got no school today, you're on holiday. And too much questioning. Get dressed and let's go, son.
Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today. Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today.
Son, ask you after I tell me say you're my birthday anyway, voila. But just can't remember, yeah. Come up party every day as it's my birthday. I can't remember if it's my birthday. Last time I party until I pass out. I can't remember if it's my birthday.
Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today. Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today.
What time, what date, what day is it?
Early in the morning, Friday 13.
Mark ya, mark me, cheer ya, cheer me. So no one scare me, hold on in a hear me. Friday the 13th, I chase it up in the that.
But Dad, you no fear that.
Son, me say me hear that, you know say that's a real chat. No, me not fear that.
Dad, I want to party out, yes, from day to dawn.
So make way, so make way, so make way.
Clap, 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 come let we clap, clap, clap. Come let we clap, clap, clap.
Me say the party full up, everybody let us scream and a shout out full up.
Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today. Daddy, isn't it your birthday today? I'm wishing you a happy birthday today.
Son, but the time don't go back to school, me say book, book, book. Education is the key, son, that comes first. It's good to know that right now, don't about that. It's good to know how much you can follow content. When you go to school, pay close attention. This is to your teacher, don't be stubborn. Don't be a fool like some animals. Any question we ask, make sure answer that.
Dad, you're my idol, I'm a role model. When I ABC, I'm a 1, 2, 3. You to show that to subtract 2. Long division and timetable. Anywhere we go, Daddy, me for the few.
1 plus 1 that equal
2. Me and you, oh, we know.
True.